Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am back with another fantastic Instacart deal for you guys. Guys, I am wearing Instacart out. They probably have my address programmed into their GPS to get here. I have made so many orders. So, guys, this time I'm shopping at Family Dollar. So I already wore Dollar Tree out. Now it's Family Dollar. And it's a whole different code. But guys, it's the same concept as I showed you in my Dollar Tree video with Instacart. It's just a different code. So if you have not watched the Dollar Tree video, you have to watch that. I will link it to this video because I want you to be able to shop at the Dollar Tree and shop at Family Dollar to be able to get these fantastic deals. So before we get into the deal and how to do it and what the code is and all of that good stuff, I do need you guys to go ahead and comment below. Let me know what you plan on getting from Family Dollar. I got some Lysol sprays as well as a Lysol foam and Bounty paper towels, as you can see. But you don't have to get what I get. You can choose anything you want. And being that Family Dollar is such a bigger store, you have a larger selection at Family Dollar than what you do at Dollar General. I need you guys to give this video a thumbs up so that we can make sure that Facebook is recommending this video to everyone so that everyone is getting out there and saving. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you're notified every time I put up a new video and you don't miss out on any of these secret savings and the sauce and all of the good stuff. But what I like most about this deal, guys, is because you don't have to leave the comfort of your home. You can shop right from the Instacart app. And you don't need any coupons. So everything that I got on this cart was absolutely free. I didn't pay a service fee. I didn't have to pay the tip. I didn't have to pay a delivery fee. I didn't pay anything. Actually, my bill came to negative 81 cents. So really, they owed me 81 cents. But you know, Family Dollar does not give back overage or give money back. So it was just totally even. They did not charge my credit card for anything. So we're going to get into the deal. I need you guys to get your phones out so you can take the screenshots. And I need you to get your paper and pencil out so you can take notes. And let's get ready to save. Okay, so guys, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you download the Instacart app. If you haven't downloaded the Instacart app, it's okay. I will put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. All you have to do is click on the link, sign up, and get ready to shop. This is a deal that can be done whether you're new to Instacart or you have been using Instacart. It doesn't matter. Anyone can use this code. And like I said, you don't need any paper coupons. You can shop from the comfort of your home. What you're going to do is you're going to fill your cart up with $35 worth of merchandise. Doesn't matter what you get. Your total just needs to be $35. Because the coupon code that we're going to use is going to take off $20 from your total. Now, if you're new to Instacart, make sure that you sign up for express delivery. It is a free service that you can get for 14 days. After 14 days, there's a charge. I have no clue what the charge is because I don't plan on paying that charge because I will be canceling my express service on Saturday, Christmas Day, when I'm done shopping. So you have 14 days. Make sure you cancel it before your 14 days are up so that your card is not charged. They will send you an email once you sign up explaining everything and how you cancel. But if you sign up now, that way that gives you 14 days and everything that all of your deliveries will be free. You won't have to pay a delivery charge. So that's one way of saving. So after you fill your cart up with your 35 items, then they'll charge you a service fee and they're going to charge you a tax and a service tax. and they'll give you your total minus $20 because the coupon code gives you $20 off, but your cart must be filled with $35 worth of items. So once your shopper goes to the store, you'll pay whatever the amount is. So maybe your amount is $15, maybe your amount is $17. You know, it just totally depends on what your service fee is and how much you go over the $20. You'll pay that amount. Then someone is going to be assigned your order from Instacart. That person's going to go to Family Dollar. They're going to start shopping. As they're shopping, when they see items that are out of stock, they're going to ask you, do you want to substitute or not? Now, when I initially placed my order, I put no substitutes. And the reason I did that is because if things are out of stock, then they will take that off of your total, but you'll still get the coupon. Okay? So I had $35 worth of items. As you can see, this is not $35 worth of items. This is actually $21.13 worth of items, because the other Lysol sprays that I got, I had ordered 5 of these foam Lysols, but only 4 were in stock. And I had ordered some other paper towels, and those weren't in stock, but everything else was in stock. So when they discover that the items are not in stock, what happens is they take that off of your total, but you still get the $20 off of $35. So that's where the glitch is. And that's why you get such a low out of pocket. So my total was $35, but a lot of stuff wasn't in stock. So once they added all of my stuff up, it only came to $21.13. Here's my receipt, but I still got the $20 off. So that's why my total was so low. And for some reason, I got a $5 sponsored delivery promo. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's going to come off of your total. I don't know if everyone gets that. I don't know how that works, but that's why my total was minus 81 cents. Here's my receipt. You can see everything there. I paid nothing. They charged my card nothing. But if I wouldn't have had that $5 that $5 sponsored delivery promo, I would have paid $4.19. And I still would have paid, I would have been happy with paying $4.19 for this. I would have even been happy paying, $8, $9, $10. I shopped from the convenience of my home, guys. It was so easy. Now, let me tell you a trick you can do. And I want to thank Paulina. She's a coupon buddy of mine because she suggested this to me last night. She said she was going to go to the store, make her list of everything she wanted, and she was going to make sure that $15 worth of stuff on her list was not in stock. That way, her order would come to zero because her total would be $35. She will put in her cart $15 worth of stuff that's not in stock. The $20 coupon will come off, and that balances out so that it's totally zero. Guys, how smart and genius is that? So if you want to leave the comfort of your home and do that to make sure that your out-of-pocket is very low, then go ahead and do that. I just happened to pick these items by chance, and those other items were out of stock. I was fine with paying $15 for what I had in my cart. It's just that they were out of stock. I lucked up and I paid zero. So it's totally up to you guys how you want to do it, but just make sure that you use the coupon code, and here it is. The coupon code is FD Holiday 20. Frank Dog Holiday 20. F is in Frank, D is in Dog, Holiday 20. And you will get $20 off a $35 order. Guys, if that's not a great deal, then I don't know what is. So go ahead, let me know what you plan on getting at Family Dollar. Let me know how you made out. And until the next time, keep on saving.